I'm very sure that some of us for the past years we've been making nothing but delicious and perfect jollof rice. In fact, it is your favorite meal, so you make it so good. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my jollof rice, and I'm sure that you are going to fall in love with it. Hello, nice to meet you if today is the first time here. I don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. I have my oil on fire. I've added my chopped onions, so I'll wait for a while, then add my tomatoes puree. So after that, I will give it a gentle stir. You can see that I just finished making my tomatoes puree video, so I decided to use it for my food, and also I just finished making my tomato paste as well. I'll go ahead and add my green marinade, and I will be sharing the recipe with you very soon. Thank you. I will add my sardine in olive oil and give it a stir. Okay, so I do appreciate your time here always, and thank you for always watching me. I've added my homemade spice, that is natural spice, and I will just go ahead and add my coconut milk. I love coconut milk in my jollof rice. In fact, it makes it taste very good. So after I added the natural spice, I added some seasoning to taste and also some salt. Then I've added my rice. I will give it a stir. I'm not going to add any water to it because it is okay, and we are not going to use water to cook our rice but heat. So I will stir it and taste it and see if it is good. Sweetheart, if you are still watching me and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon for me, so that whenever I upload videos you will be notified. Thank you for doing it for me. I do trust you. It is free, and please, I will be glad if you do it for me. So I will stir it and I will check on it every 5 to 10 minutes so that it will not burn on a very low heat. Okay, so I will cover it with some napkin and just leave it on fire. Then I will saute my vegetables. You can actually use any vegetables of your choice. Okay, so I added some seasoning, and that is what you are seeing on fire. Okay, so now let's check on the rice, and this is how it looks. I'm just going to add the vegetables that we saute and mix it very well. Thank you very much for being with me till this point, and I do appreciate it. And thank you for always watching my video. Happy New Year once again, and I am so happy to see you again on the channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm still reminding you, can you please subscribe? It is free, and I will be so grateful if you do that for me. Thank you. And so we will stir our rice for some minutes, and I will just cover it again. If I'm the one coming to eat this, I'm the only one coming to eat, I would have just start eating it, but the family, they want their vegetables very soft. Yes, so I'll just cover it for some time so that it can be soft a bit. Today I'll consider them so that they will enjoy the food. So jollof rice is ready, and this is how it looks. You can see how it is, and they want their rice very soft as well, unlike me. This is so delicious. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.